That's a dirty darky. One thing that you do well is placing your punches. Pretty good at waiting, patient. Every now and then, like what I was doing was certain punches strictly for free. Thought you was gonna throw something, I'll throw like 4 of them. I wouldn't try to hit nothing. I'll just try to throw you off your rocket. What happens is and you freeze because you get caught in between.
Right, what? Really not over here.
What up, Selah? You good? What up? Hey, Selah. Always remain the same how you are.
Okay.
Calm.
Very respectful. Very ladylike. Keep that. It's gonna take you far in life.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Elder Karatazar. I'm one of the oldest elder at True Nation, and I'm out here enjoying the tabernacle with all my brothers and sisters, and all the kids having fun, and just eating and drinking, and just having the joyous time with the Most High and Yahweh Shai. I have my wife out here, all my son, my grandkids, and all the other little kids from 2 or 3 months and up, having fun. So it's a pleasure to be out here enjoying the elements of the land, and hopefully as time goes on, every year we get better and better. Thank you.
Shalom, this is Deacon Kahan at True Nation. We're at Feast of Tabernacles 2025. We dwell in these tents and we're having a great time, man. It's a true cultural experience. Our kids is out here, our families are out here, and we're having a great time, man. We're building bonds, and this is a feast for the Lord. And this is one of my favorite ones because we're dwelling together for 4 or 5 days. And usually people that I don't get a chance to talk to, have personal conversations, you know, we build bonds out here. So definitely, man, tap in and start keeping the Feast of Tabernacle and all the Feasts of the Most High days. And Shalom.
Shalom from True Nation, Georgia. Happy Tabernacle. It's blessed to be out here.
Shalom family, it's Sister Bayana here. Happy Feast of Tabernacles. We are out here camping, dwelling amongst one another in unity. All praises to the Most High. If you're not here, you're missing out. Most High's will you make it next year. Shalom.
Shalom, happy Tabernacles. From our family to yours, True Nation, Israelite congregation. Happy Tabernacles.
Happy Tabernacles 2025.
Yay.
Shabbat Shalom, Israel. Happy Feast of Tabernacles 2025. We here at Camp Tazarah, the True Nation Israelite congregation. Feasting is the Lord, you know what I'm saying? He said we got to dwell in tents, and He going to dwell with us, you know? So, man, take a look. pan around, look at the compound. You know, everybody in tents, the kids playing. They under the pergola. This is what it's supposed to be like, man. On our own land, we out here having fun in a righteous way. Yep. How about you enjoying yourself, right, At? Shoot, man. That's what it's about. Tabernacles.
Here you go. Right now, the warm-up game. Y'all gonna see the real action after this because I got hit in the leg, which is, I think it was judgment because it was going like this, but then it went down. Like, I don't know what happened. So what you're seeing right now, my team may be losing, but we're just prepared for victory. You know what I mean? So no. Look, whatever they're saying, you know they're always gonna hate. You know what I mean? So they always hated Christ. So they're gonna hate you. You know what I mean? They don't want you to be great.
Real fast.
Watch next round. We like the Maccabee family, bro.
How you already out?
James 4:3. Yes, not, and receive not, because ye ask amiss, that ye may consume it upon your lust. What they talking about right there, Bishop? Ye ask and receive not, because ye ask amiss. How do you ask amiss?